If you look at the true definition of food from our culture, not from the European culture, but from a indigenous Americas or indigenous African culture, food is something that yields you energy and vitality.
Okay.
So food can be a conversation. This is food. I'm getting intellectually stimulated from the conversation. That's food. I'm eating your words. That's why you have something called food for thought.
Yeah.
You see that? Food is something that you eat, that you can put in your body, and this substance break it down into macro and micro molecules, and it'll feed your cells glucose or fructose, and this will give you energy where you can have vitality, power, and will to live out your everyday life. But then you have something called, bad food, or what they say. So real food is something that you can digest, whether it's spiritually, intellectually, or internally, and you get power to live from it. Yeah. So that's food. Anything that's the opposite of that, we can't call it food. So unfortunately, the sad standard American diet, or what they call SAD, we can't consider this food that we eating here in America as food, because it's not giving us vitality. It's not rebuilding or replacing or rearranging our proteins, or what we call amino acid structures. It's not giving us our phytonutrients, our macronutrients, or our micronutrients. So it's not giving us power, will to live. What we eating is actually killing us. It's taking from us. So we can't call that a food. We can call that a murder weapon, but we can't call it food. So if we're going to speak about foods to eat, we can talk about that. But the things that we eating right now is biologically engineered weapons to basically kill population or do population control.